Hey guys, Stock Sniper Mike back again with a 2-minute drill. Here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. The Dow is back to its normal self. It's no longer the stock market that you once thought it was, but you can make big percentage gains on these bigger blue chip stocks. It seems like the market has calmed down as the Dow has bounced off that $25,000 support spot and has just kind of settled in that 26,000 area. So for those out there that are getting bored of the 2-3% weeks, come our way. It's time to join the team, because in Sniperville we were doing what we do. The Snipers went for our 26th straight week. Yes, our 26th straight green week in the market since this coronavirus pandemic has started. We went 5 for 7, making $1,500 plus this week for our 26th straight green week. And the cool thing about this week is we did it with 2 nice plays, and both of them were the same exact pattern. So one pattern, 2 different stocks made up most of our gains for the week. So I usually go over day by day, but this week I'm just gonna go over the biggest wins and the biggest losses to make it a bit quicker and to hopefully keep people more interested. So we were able to go 5 for 7 this week, and the reason we were able to make $1,500 plus was because 2 of those plays were big wins. And when we mean big, we mean $800 or more. The great thing about both these plays are they were the same kind of patterns. And a cool thing about what we do and what we like to tell others that we do is we do not play stocks, we play patterns. So these 2 patterns are a 52-week breakout. The first 52-week breakout started early Monday morning and gave us a head start on the week. We were able to grab this stock late on Friday as we noticed it breaking 52-week highs. We liked that it was breaking 52-week highs and holding that spot, so we decided to buy it late in the day on Friday afternoon after we put it on the Power Hour Sniper Scope at 70 cents, looking for a morning gap up / push for Money Monday, holding over the weekend. And on Money Monday, we got what we were looking for. We got that 10% plus gap up, and we took it right away. We actually got more than 10%, and we were happy to see 20% plus right as the bell rang. So we took that bag right at 85 cents, taking it from 70 cents to 85 cents over the weekend and making a total of $800 plus just like that. And the stock kept going, but it's okay. You always want to pat yourself on the back and congratulate yourself for being in the right spot at the right time. There will always be another play, and there was instantly next. I said I was only going to go over 2 plays that we won, but I'll go over one more because this happened in the same day, giving us $1,000 profit to start Money Monday. We panic dip bought NEXCF as it was dipping early in the morning all the way to a long-term support spot. We decided to buy it in the 460 area as the L2s were turning around, and it got a decent bounce, but we sold it in the 480s, getting a small little gain, just to show you a different kind of play. The stock ended up bouncing. It took a little bit for it to bounce, so no need to wait around for it, but just wanted to point that out. The next stock we'll go over is our biggest loss, and it wasn't that big of a deal because we still stuck to the plan. This is OTC Penny Stock, PASO, and it's a stock we've made money off before recently. This stock was making a first green day, and we liked the way it was holding support going into the end of the day, so we bought it looking for that overnight gap up or morning push and a second green day the next day. We bought the stock a little high on Thursday afternoon at 638 with anticipation it would push even higher the next day. And when we woke up on Friday, it unfortunately was gapping down, and it was below that cut spot of 6 cents that we wanted to get out at. So below the cut spot, you stick to the plan and abort mission. And that's what we did here right at the bell. Getting out at 0.59 and only losing about 10% and about $300. But we kept our head in the game and we stuck to the plan, and the next winner always comes if you keep going. And the next and last winner we're going to talk about is another OTC 52-week breakout that we bought at the end of the day and sold early in the morning. For those of you that wonder why we do this, it's because we're helping you that are under the PDT rule. You do not use a day trade when you buy really late in the day and sell really early in the morning. So with this stock, AUNFF, we found it after finding MDRPF 52-week breakout, and it was a very similar play. We liked the way that it broke out and held that breakout as a VWAP/daily support spot. So we watched it all the way into Power Hour, put it on the Power Hour Sniper Scope, and the rest was history. We bought the stock with only a couple minutes remaining, looking for a morning gap up/push. And on Wednesday morning, we got what we were looking for. We got the gap up past 52-week highs, and we are happy with the 10% gains. So we sold it there at 57.88 for a nice 12% on our money and $770 in profit. So if you add those two gains up, MBRPF and AUNFF, that's a total of $1,600 plus in profit. And when you have two nice wins like that, it's hard to go red on the week. Even with a small loss or a decent sized loss like Paso and a smaller loss that we had in PCTO. With those two losses adding up to $400, we were still able to overcome that by sticking to the plan and winning 5 other times. In total, we profited for $1,500 plus this week and another green week, making it 26 straight weeks in the book for the snipers going green since this coronavirus pandemic has started. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen next week. The government seems to not have a grip on the coronavirus, so the Dow is now becoming an iffy investment after the big bounce. But if you're iffy and you're worried, don't get scared. We are here for you, and the snipers will always have a plan. Make sure to check us out if you are not part of the team. Join the team and check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. We got great stuff coming out. Prices are actually going to be going up soon because of how much good content we have coming for you soon. So make sure to jump on the team now before the prices go up. Also, if you are not subscribed below, subscribe below to the YouTube channel. I do this once a week, reviewing our weekly stats. Sniper Nick does a Tuesday watch list video going over our watch list every Tuesday night. And Sniper Alex does a daily tip that'll help you out every day in the stock market. And if you don't believe what we do, we have been doing this for a couple years now. Check us out at Profitly, PROFIT.LY, under the Stock Snipers. You can see every single one of our wins and losses on there. Our whole journey, starting from $500 and now creeping all the way above $118,000. We're right about there. Check us out on Profitly. And last but not least, if you don't follow us on social media, you're missing out. Find out about all the sniper updates and stocks that we get in and bags that we tag on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and StockTwits. Check us out. We're posting stock content daily. Alright guys, another great week in the books. Be aware, we got some great stuff coming soon. Meet me back here next week for another update on the snipers and hopefully another green week. Stock Sniper Mike, out! Yeah.